With the curtains being closed on WWDC 2019, this year's conference was one of the most memorable conferences in a while. The main keynote gave us our first look at iOS 13, coming later in the fall. Though there were many features that Apple didn't talk about, this video is going to be talking about the main features of iOS 13. I'll break it down later when it releases in the fall. First, some of the unreleased features are Apple Sign-In, Portrait Lighting Control, an all-new CarPlay dashboard, audio sharing and message announcements on AirPods, and an all-new 3D experience in Maps. Without any more delay, let's get into the tentpole features of iOS 13. And after so long, finally we have a new volume indicator. Toggling the mute switch will show you which mode you're in, and using the volume buttons brings up a clean, unobtrusive interface for changing the volume. This is the second time in a row that Apple has decided to bring even more performance enhancements. Face ID now unlocks your phone 30% faster, apps launch 2 times faster, and the download sizes of apps will be much smaller. There's also new 3D Touch context menus and an all-new share sheet. The share sheet now smartly suggests who you'd like to send your selection to and provides direct access to your Siri shortcuts. Now, 3D Touch has been expanded to support non-3D Touch devices as well. Now, in Control Center, 3D Touching Wi-Fi brings up network selection, and 3D Touching Bluetooth brings up device selection. Now for one feature everybody was waiting for, Dark Mode. Dark Mode delivers a dark themed UI across the entire system. You can toggle it in the brightness slider of Control Center or the display and brightness page in the Settings app. Now I know all of you Android users have had this for a while, but finally Swipe Keyboard is coming to iOS. For those of you who like Swipe Keyboard, well, you can uninstall all your third-party ones. Apple has done a good job here. One of the things that we neglect the most are the memories that we capture with our cameras. Apple has made the Photos app cleaner and smarter, making it easy for you to go back through those memories. Now, even iPhones without the TrueDepth sensor get Animoji and Memoji, but only in the form of stickers. The same level and detail of customization has been carried over, and you can now give your Memoji AirPods. Now, iMessage is more social, allowing you to set a profile picture and add your first and last name. A big welcome enhancement to Photos is the improvements in the editor. Not only has it received a redesigned interface, it now allows you to edit the vibrance, the warmth of the photo, the tint, the sharpness, the definition, apply noise reduction, and a vignette. These improvements also apply to the video editor. Now, you can rotate videos, change the aspect ratio, invert them, or skew them and transform them to the angle desired. Thank you Apple for this change, it was much needed. On the topic of redesign, the Reminders app has been completely redesigned with natural language processing and a much smarter interface. The Health app features a new dashboard and also has a new hearing health feature. The app keeps track of your headphone audio levels and makes sure that they're in the safe range. Now you're probably looking for the iOS 13 update on your phone. Well, you're gonna have to wait for the public release in September and have a compatible device. Well, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.